Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to recover iPhone deleted contacts. So if you guys are wondering how to recover your deleted contacts on the iPhone device, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to recover this step by step. So essentially, what we need to do in order for us to recover our iPhone contacts is to launch the Safari applications. And what I want you guys to do, once you're here, is to log into your iCloud account. So just search for iCloud, and then tap on sign in, and then, of course, use your Apple ID details to successfully sign in. Now, what I want you guys to do next is to tap on this multiple icons right here, and then scroll down until you see the recovery options. And from here, just tap on Restore Contacts, and you're gonna see options right here to restore specific contacts in the case that you have deleted them. And it's that easy, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.